So the next thing that we have to define is the
endothermic reaction.
key. So what are the materials needed for this experiment? Okay,
First one is calamansi.
yeah. And the other is knife. So we have to be careful in using the knife because to avoid accidents. And we also have to use a chopping board. Okay. And of course the glass.
Cup or glass.
Okay. And also we have to use the baking soda. Okay. So let us try to cut this calamansi.
Be careful.
Be careful, because your fingers might be sliced into many. Okay, so let us put this calamansi on the glass.
Calamansi extract.
Yeah, to get the extract.
And then there is a missing material, the water.
Yeah, we forgot.
After pouring the calamansi extract there, we will put water.
Yeah, we have to add some water. We have to add some water to
To have a more blah blah blah.
to have a more volume of
The solution.
the liquid. Okay.
Okay.
So let us try to stir it. Okay, knife are not really used for the stirring, but since we don't have any other materials, we'll just use the knife to stir it. Okay, so the next thing to do is to
Pour.
Pour the baking soda.
soda. And let's see what's gonna happen after it. Okay, so let us stir it again and see.
Like a meal.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so bubbles are produced. See?
Oh, it's cold.
Oh yeah, really, it's really cold.
colder.
Yeah.
It
Just
became cold. It became a cream. Ah, whipped
Okay,
cream.
so there is a change on that temperature.
Hey, Jumong, touch it.
It became colder.
It became cold.
Yeah, will you try to touch it? Okay, so they're so shy to the bottom.
They're shy. Okay, so why did that happen?
So this is what we call an endothermic reaction.
Yeah, the endothermic reaction is the release, the absorption of heat, and therefore the molecules did not combine. Therefore, it like that.
there's
split.
no-
They splitting.
They split it, so there's no release of heat. Therefore, the expected result is it will become cold.
Yeah. So
Okay, so
subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Thank you for.
We hope that you'll learn a lot today from us. And for more information, just visit our Facebook.
Yes, Facebook. My Facebook is JP Estrada.
Yes, and my email address is
Bye-bye.
maria.baikan@facebook.com. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.